Trishul. I want to be a Trishul warrior, Kappa.
What is Trishul?
Trishul is the elite group of warriors that guard our kingdom. They wear the trident symbol of the group on their tusks. It marks their identity and they wear it as a badge of honor. The color is how you recognize a Trishul warrior. They make up a skilled army. In fact, their motto in life is to protect the kingdom. They will stand in front of us like a shield. I too dream of being a part of this group. I would love to be a Trishul warrior, but they have a rigorous training process. Every aspirant must undergo the intensive drill, and only then do they go forth for the selection process. Once an elephant has proven their mental and physical prowess, they qualify for the Trishul exam. This is how one gets into the Trishul Training Academy. I have been training really hard, Kappa. I hope I can make it this year. Jugs was famous for his sweet tooth. He could have anything sweet, be it a bunch of bananas or sweet mangoes to polish off at every meal. But most of all, Jugs loved honey, straight out of a beehive. This was his favorite snack of all time. He would smirk to himself whenever he spotted the bees crisscrossing the forest in their search for nectar. It amused him to think that they worked so hard only to appease his cravings. The behavior of the bees always surprised him. They never gave up. Even after their honey was taken away, they simply resumed their efforts all over again. He couldn't understand where they found the enthusiasm and energy to just keep going.
Did you know Jugs is a logger?
What do you mean? What's a logger?
Loggers are elephants who carry logs of wood, come rain or shine. They are the strongest in the group. Jugs wants to join Trishul. Trishul is the elite group of warriors that guard our kingdom. He has been training very hard to prepare for it. Only 3 out of 12 are chosen every year. The odds are tough.
They both eagerly awaited the day of the full moon when they would cheer for Jugs' success. The full moon day was finally here. The sun was shining brightly as all the participants lined up. Jugs stood beside the others, all vying for the one reward, which was to be declared as a Trishul warrior. Maruti, the priestly monkey, went up to each participant to anoint their foreheads with red and yellow turmeric for divine protection and sprinkled holy water on everyone. Everybody was ready and set for the Trishul Training Academy's exam. All the young elephants had to cover a distance of 10 miles. The journey involved trekking through a grassy valley, crossing a couple of rivers, hiking up a hill and more, while carrying a big log of wood. The first 3 elephants to reach the finish line with the log in their trunks would be declared winners. The elephants took their positions at the starting line. Bali, the king of the monkeys, sounded the conch with a silent prayer. With that, the race finally began.
See, Virata, Jugs and Ekadanta are in the lead. Look, Vakratunda and Gana are not too far behind. Wow, the cheering is growing louder.
Oh yes. See how the elephants are navigating the tall grass? Their vision is being obstructed. Oh, the trunks are holding the log of wood. Whoa! They're using their feet, raising and stamping their feet to clear the way.
Look, they are heading towards the river. The riverbed is uneven and rocky. Oh, see, they are slipping and quickly getting up and moving forward. Now they're all approaching the last leg of the race, the steep hill with the finish line at its summit.
Leading the race is Jugs, then Virata, followed by Ekadanta.
Loud cheering and whistling sounded as soon as they appeared at the foothill. Jugs led the trio by a big margin, and to everyone watching, the results of the race seemed fairly obvious at that point. Alongside Jugs's family were his friends. They all cheered loudly with wide smiles. Jugs unintentionally smiled as he needed to cover only 20 steps more. This was the moment I had dreamed about, and the anticipation of winning feels so sweet. Just a few more steps to go. Come on. Oh, the wind is tickling my nostrils. Oh, I am unable to hold it back. Achoo! Jugs let out an enormous sneeze. The next moment, he lost balance and the log of wood tumbled and rolled down the hill. Before he knew it, the others started catching up. Horrified, he stood motionless. It felt unreal. Virata, Ekadanta, and Vakratunda were announced as the winners of the race with thundering applause.
Look, Jugs is tearing. He seems broken.
Jugs walked towards his friends and family with downcast eyes. When he reached the group waiting for him, not a word was exchanged. Tears flowed freely down his face as he walked back home. His dream had not come true. Once they all got home, his family told Jugs to get some rest. Nodding wordlessly, he went to bed. Alone in his room, he started thinking about the turn of events again. But his line of thought got interrupted when he heard a familiar buzzing sound from a nearby tree. He looked up and saw a line of the ever-hopeful bees busily on their way to collect honey. Like a flash of lightning, Jugs recalled all the instances when he stole honey. And yet, the bees had continued to refill their hives, only for him to empty them again. He couldn't quite understand why the bees never lost hope. Maybe they were hopeful that at some point they would successfully protect their produce. Hence, they tirelessly pursued their goal. Ah, yes! Jugs had a big smile and started trumpeting. Hearing his voice, his friends came running in and asked him what happened. So what if I lost the race today? My tusks will definitely be green next year. Jugs thumping the air with his trunk.
Yay! That's the spirit, Jugs! You said it!
All his friends jumped up in the air, thrilled to see the positive change in his attitude, and hugged him.